Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn basic cardboard into the cutest, most aesthetic room decor. I'll teach you how to make it step by step in the most fun way possible. Let's get started. By the way, if you're enjoying the vibe of this video, I'd love to have you subscribe and stay for the next one. Thanks for creating with me today. See you in the next one. If you want more DIY ideas that don't break the bank, make sure to hit that follow button.